Hello, I'm back again and I want to do a really quick video. Basically, it's about the Jo Malone London shower oil. So this is a product that I have been using for a long time. I've got quite a bit left, but I have obviously used quite a lot of it. I am a huge fan of this product. It is stunning, like it is gorgeous. I love it. I've rattled through about 2 or 3 bottles of this in the last few years. It's not something I treat myself to that often, but when I do, it feels so good. So a lot of people don't really know what shower oils are and what's so good about them, because it's weird. You don't think of putting an oil on yourself in the shower. So not all shower oils work like this, and not all of them work as well. So it comes in a little flippy up lid, and you're in the shower and you literally just pour a bit on. I'm gonna just put a tiny bit on because it smells so good that I don't want to waste it. And then you literally just, like when your skin's wet, you literally just rub it over your skin, and it just, oh God, it smells so good. Oh my God, it smells incredible. Oh, I love this so much. I've got the Blackberry and Bay one, just in case you're wondering, but it comes in a whole variety of fragrances. I nearly said flavors, fragrances. But yeah, when your skin is wet, which mine obviously isn't, you just literally pour a bit into your hands, rub it all over yourself, and it really, like, a little goes a long way. So you just rub it in, and it kind of, when it hits water, it kind of emulsifies and goes kind of like milky and turns from being an oil into being more of a lather. And then you just rub it all over yourself, stand under the water, rinse off, and you will find your skin feel soft and supple and nourished, clean and non-oily, but also just kind of moisturized. It's kind of like quite a moisturizing, scented product. It's hard to describe. I'm doing a really bad job of it. But yes, it leaves you feeling soft, supple, moisturized, hydrated, smelling amazing. It's such a lovely product. I would say I prefer it to the shower gels, and I think I might like it as much as the bath oils. And also, the bath oils can double as a body oil. They're safe to use on dry skin too. I discovered that recently. Yes, that's everything. Shower oils, can't recommend them enough. There's a link to shop them below. You should get one. They are so good. I know a shower oil sounds like a weird product, but I promise it's not. It's a joy to use. Thank you very much for watching. Feel free to subscribe. It'd be a pleasure to see you again. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Bye.